Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to follow back on Spotify. Let's get started. If you're using a mobile device, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Access the search option and type the name of the artist you want to follow. Once you find the artist's profile, tap the follow button located below their name. By following an artist, you will receive updates about their new releases, concerts, and recommended songs. If you're using the desktop app, launch the Spotify desktop app. Use the search bar to find the artist by typing their name. Once you find the artist's profile, click the follow button located below their name to start following them. To unfollow an artist, visit their profile and click the following button, which will then change back to follow. Clicking it will unfollow the artist. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and leave your comments below.